Arunachal Pradesh is a border state. It's a very, very crucial border state adjoining to China, and over Arunachal Pradesh we have already gone into a war in 1962 and one later. Skirmishes have taken place for a long time in the 60s. Now we are seeing the unedifying spectacle of the government there being destabilized by the governor. Arunachal Pradesh has got 47 Congress MLAs in its 60-member assembly. Now, 20 of those Congress MLAs have rebelled against the Congress leadership and against the Chief Minister Nabam Tuki, and have joined 11 BJP MLAs and are trying to pull down their government. We thought these kind of things were over. Many attempts were made in the past, particularly during the earlier Congress government, and we thought that the nation had learnt that these kind of things don't work. But it appears that the BJP has not learnt this lesson. The governor there, J.P. Rajkova, who was at one time an RSS pracharak and a leading light in the BJP, is the governor, and he seems to be playing a partisan role. For example, the assembly was to meet in the mid-January. However, he preponed the meeting of the assembly to 16th December. And they wanted to hold an assembly meeting there. In the S.R. Bommai case, the Supreme Court had ruled that the place where the no confidence motion can take place is the assembly. As soon as the governor preponed the assembly, the government locked out the assembly building. And therefore all the rebel assembly members met at an ad hoc place, called it their assembly, and they proceeded from there to move a no confidence motion against the government. And Mr. Rajkova, the governor, seems to be supporting it. When that happened, the Speaker of the state, he removed 14 of the 20 rebel Congress MLAs. He disqualified them. But the Deputy Speaker, he got the rebel MLAs together and he has tried to impeach the Speaker himself. These are not good activities that is going on there. And the government should in no way support the governor in his partisan activity. The central government should be very clear about it. Recently, the High Court at Guwahati has come down very strictly against the activities of the governor and held in abeyance all the actions taken place by the rebel MLAs. We have to let the administration go on, and the people and the leaders, government chosen by the leader, should be given a chance to function. These kind of destabilizing activities in any state, and particularly in a state like Arunachal Pradesh, does not augur well for the country. Friends, if you like this short video on Arunachal Pradesh present problems, please press like. Please share this video with all your friends in the various groups to which you belong. Please give your comments and also kindly subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.